In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to sew a zipper in a lined dress. So this is a beginner friendly tutorial. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my dress and zipper. Then I'm going to get my chalk and place the zipper from the tip of the neckline and then I'm going to mark with my chalk where the zipper is going to end. So after marking, I'll mark on the lining and also on the fabric. So this is my mark with a chalk. Then I'm going to stitch from where the mark is down to the hemline. So the way I'm going to sew this is I'll sew the lining separately, right sides facing, and the fabric separate as well, right sides facing. So I'm just going to turn, making sure the right sides are facing each other. Then I'm going to place the main fabric, right sides facing each other. Then I'll stitch from the mark where I marked with my chalk down to the hemline. And then I'll do the same with my lining. I'll make sure the right sides are facing each other. I'll mark, I'll sew from where the mark is to the hemline. So I'm just going to take this to the sewing machine and show you guys what next. So I'm just going to start with the main fabric. Remember where I marked? I'm going to sew down to the hemline. So this is the main fabric. Then after sewing, this is how it looks. I'm going to give it a good press from the seam allowance. Then I'm going to go to the lining. I'm going to stitch, give it a good press as well. Then after stitching, I'll go to the top part and my zipper. I'll place my zipper in the zipper allowance. So on the neckline, the zipper allowance was open. I'm going to place it on the fabric only, then stitch it down as you can see me do. Then after stitching, this is how it looks. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my lining and turn it over. Make sure the lining right side is facing the right sides. I'll turn it like I am doing. Then I'll stitch the top neckline. I'll finish this top neckline zip allowance. Then I'm going to stitch down along the seam allowance. I'll just place the lining and stitch down as you can see me do. Then after stitching, I'm going to turn it over to remember I was stitching from the wrong side, so I'm going to turn it over to the right sides and show you guys what next. So this is how neat it looks on one side. So remember the zipper has two sides. We're going to do the same thing we did here on the other side of the dress. So this is the one side. I'm going to go over to the other side. I'll do the same thing I did, and this is the final project. Thanks for watching.